Ethereum 2.0 is here, and it's changing everything you thought you knew about crypto. Faster transactions, lower fees, and a greener future. But what does this mean for you as an investor? Stick around to find out why this upgrade is a game changer for your portfolio. In today's video, I'm diving into the highly anticipated Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. What's new, why it matters for your investments, and how this massive change will impact the future of Ethereum. Let's get into it. To start, let's break down what Ethereum 2.0 actually is. Ethereum 2.0 or ETH 2.0 is a long-awaited upgrade to Ethereum's original blockchain. The biggest change, the move from proof of work POV to proof of stake POS. This shift changes how transactions are validated, making the network faster and more energy efficient. But why does this matter to you? Well, Ethereum 2.0 will make it cheaper, faster, and greener to use Ethereum. Things that will directly affect you, whether you're buying NFTs, sending ETH, or investing in decentralized finance. So what exactly is new with Ethereum 2.0? Let's break it down. First, scalability. Ethereum 2.0 introduces a concept called shard chains. Instead of having all transactions processed on a single chain, it splits them across multiple chains, dramatically increased transaction speeds and capacity. This could mean Ethereum can handle thousands of transactions per second compared to the current 30. That's a big deal for scaling decentralized apps or DeFi platforms. Second, lower gas fees. With Ethereum's current network, gas fees can skyrocket, making small transactions expensive. Ethereum 2.0's improvements, especially through sharding and POS, will help keep gas fees in check, making it more affordable for everyone to transact on the network. Third, energy efficiency. One of the biggest criticism of Ethereum's proof of work model has been its environmental impact. Ethereum 2.0's proof of stake model drastically reduces the energy consumption of the network, making Ethereum a much more sustainable blockchain. This is a win for the planet, and it's going to look good environmental, social, and governance portfolios. So here's why it gets interesting for investors like you. Ethereum 2.0 is a big deal for the price of Ethereum. The upgrade doesn't just impact the network, it increases Ethereum's utility. With faster transactions and lower fees, Ethereum can process more use cases and attract a broader use base. This means more demand for Ethereum and potentially a higher price in the long run. And with staking coming in, you can now earn rewards just by holding your Ethereum. In fact, investors can participate in Ethereum's 2.0 by staking their Ethereum to held secure in the network. This gives Ethereum holders a chance to earn passive income, which is a big deal for everyone looking to make their crypto work for them. But of course, no upgrade is without its risk. Ethereum 2.0 is still in the process of being fully rolled out. And while the majority of the upgrades have been successful, it's important to remember that this is a huge transition. There could be unforeseen bugs, issues with smart contracts, or hiccups in adoption by developers. So while Ethereum 2.0 is promising, it's still a work in process. So it's essential for investors to do their due diligence and stay informed as the upgrade continues to unfold. To sum up, Ethereum 2.0 is not just an upgrade, it's a new era for Ethereum, with faster speeds, lower fees, and the potential for higher returns on your investments. This upgrade could be a major opportunity, but as always, it's important to stay cautious and monitor how the transition plays out. The crypto world moves fast, and Ethereum 2.0 is definitely one to watch. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and let me know in the comments what you think about Ethereum 2.0. Are you bullish on Ethereum? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.